So, these fidget spinners. See all of them? Crap, here we go. You see the fidget spinners? It's brighter for you than I see. So, this one I didn't show off in the last video, I don't think. Did I? I don't know if I did. You know what? While I'm editing, I'll just see if I did or not. I feel like I did. Yeah, I did. Okay, so we're doing this one right now. When that was just drying, like, cause it was like kind of broken, while I was making the first video of this. So we're gonna start the spin time right now. All right, starting at 1:30. Starting at 1:28, I guess. Started at 1:28. 10 laps. Okay, that was exactly stopped at 2:10. Started at 1:38. No, 1:28. 1:28. That 32 minutes. I suck. 42 seconds. This was okay. We're gonna start this one at 2. We're gonna start this one at 2:40. There's another one that looks like it that I have, but it's probably gonna be the exact same because it's the exact same kind. It has started. Started at 2:40, and then we're gonna time lapse right now. Okay, it has stopped at, let's just say 3:20. Same thing, yeah. 3:20 it stopped at. So started at, what did it start at? Crap. 2:40 to 3:20. 2:40 to 3:20 to 3:18. 3:19 actually. So that would be I can't think today. That would be 40 seconds. And no, that would just be 30, let's say 39 seconds right there. Also, this looks really cool when you put, like, if you have a fidget spinner, please do this. So, go on like a flat surface. It looks better on like a curved chair like this, but you can do it on a flat surface. Put your finger in one of the bearings and just move it around, and it all moves around. It's really cool. Like with this one, it looks like literally like all of them. I don't know about this one. Not as good because you can't put your finger actually in it. Like with this one, I don't think it's gonna work. Oh my gosh, it works. That with all of them works. So I'm gonna do this one right now, starting at 4:30. Okay. Oh, dropped one. 10 laps. Wow, that was exactly 30 seconds long. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna start this one at 3:15. No, 3:20, just to make it easily. I mean 5:20 for me, just to make it easier. White one, starting right now at 5:20. Here we go. 10 laps. Nope, 2 minutes 25 seconds. Wow, that is insane. I did not expect this glow in the dark one to do that well. Actually, can I see if it's glowing in the dark still? Well, trust me, this glows in the dark. All right, you see the material. This cannot be just pure white. You see the material. It's too glow in the dark. It's too like glow in the dark looking ish to not glow in the dark. It glows in the dark. Trust me. I couldn't get any video footage of it sadly, but it does. Okay. Trying this one at 8. Okay, there we go. Time lapse is going to be a really long time. 5 minutes exactly. Wow. You, sir, fidget spinner, are awesome, alright? Props to you. This one's starting at 13:20. That wasn't a good spin. Okay, here we go. Started at 13:30, time lapse. Okay, so that was exactly about started at 13:20, ended at 16:20. No, 13:30. So that was like 2 minutes and 50 seconds. My dad lied. He said it was 5 minutes, but I mean, you know, it could have been 5 minutes for him. He could have spun it better than I could have, but I still say that definitely this one is best because it got like, what was it, like 5 minutes in total. Like, you are the best fidget spinner. You are the best fidget spinner I've ever seen that spins the longest. Alright, look at this. See, let's time lapse it right here. See, that spun for a full like, I don't know, maybe like less than a second, alright? See, it's awesome. Just kidding. Just kidding, it's awesome. Why are my shoes there? Hello, shoe. Why are you mismatching? I don't know, maybe because I'm good mismatching shoes. You got a problem with that? Do you have a problem with that? You better not have a problem with that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like all that other stuff, and I'll see you later. Bye.